What's up, guys? Brenton here with Vortex Detailing, mobile auto detailing business based in Oregon City, Oregon. Here with these couches, these leather couches, I'm going to flash a couple pictures here in just a second. I was here cleaning them. I already cleaned these. I already ceramic coated these. I'm going to show you the before. It was pretty nasty. I was actually told that what was on these would not come off. Proved it otherwise. As I was doing this, I was going, man, I should really be making a tubulator video for this. So there's a whole nother couch, an even bigger one, not nearly as dirty, nothing crazy. But I'm going to show you the whole process that I use to clean leather couches, or pretty much anything that I clean, and then coat it afterwards, ceramic coat it. This is something that anybody can do, but I figured I'd just make a video going through that really quick. So let's get into it. So this here is the couch. You can see it really good in the light here. First of all, I just want to say super shiny leather, glossy leather like this is dirty. That's dirty leather. You can see this one in comparison with this one. Now there's quite a bit difference, and I know the lighting's not exactly the same, but it is a massive difference. So once I clean this, as I'm going to now, you'll probably see better what I'm talking about. This is what I'm going to use. Here's my bucket. What's in the bucket? Oh, and the reason it's so nasty, that's from cleaning that couch already and the nasty gunk that was on it that you saw. I have 2 gallons of water in here with 1 ounce, which is 2 capfuls of rinseless wash. And then I'm using these little non-abrasive scrub pads. These are actually made to apply wax and sealants, but I find that they come in handy to really clean and agitate interior surfaces. 1 ounce of product, it's 256:1. Rinseless wash by DIY Detail. It doesn't matter. Most rinseless washes are going to be the same exact dilution ratio, and they all work pretty similarly. So I really happen to like this one. Is what I'm going to do to clean this is just that, because there's not any heavy accumulation. But for what I did for the other couch, I have my All Clean by DIY Detail diluted 15:1 in this pump sprayer. And that is how I was able to clean that heavy gunk off. And yes, I let it soak and dwell. And I had to spray it a few times and let it dwell before it would actually come off easily. But with those scrub pads, it was able to come right off after a couple passes. Okay, guys, so really, really simple. I take my rinseless wash with my non-abrasive scrub pad here. You can use really any non-abrasive scrub pad for this, but I really like these. They're easy to handle, they're easy to maneuver. I already cleaned this section. Maybe you can tell that this is different than this on the camera. I hope you can, because in right here in real life, I can definitely tell. So I'm going to finish cleaning this couch, and this is rinseless wash, diluted 256:1. And I'm just going to get this on the surface. We let the product, we get the product on the surface, we scrub it, we let it dwell. When we let it dwell, it works. That's what it does. It works. And the nice thing about this is it just, oh man, I mean, I know this is already stained from that couch, but because this was a brand new pad when I started today, but I can just tell already just from that little bit I've done that this is getting dirty. We're going to cover this whole thing, and it's dwelling, and we're just going to lightly go over it and clean it. And I'm just watching the gunk come off. If I had 2 cameras, I'd show you. Doesn't take much. Oh yeah, this is really dirty down here. Oh boy. All the body oils. You can probably even see in the camera how nasty this thing is getting. You'll definitely be able to tell here in a minute when I wipe this off. Now, if I needed to do anything heavier, like I said, All Clean 15:1 is what I use to get the heavy gunk off. Any all-purpose cleaner, usually for most things, is going to be enough. So now that has worked, it's dwelled, I've scrubbed it lightly, nothing crazy. I'm just going to simply come in here with a dry towel and dry it off. It's that simple. This is a clean leather side of the couch now. And it's ready to be ceramic coated or coated with any sort of leather conditioner, anything that you'd like. Anything you have that you want to use. On the leather, there's designated leather products, obviously, millions of them out there. Personally, I use ceramic coatings for everything. So inside and outside, I don't use wax products. I don't use leather conditioners. I just clean the surface and ceramic coat it because I want my things to last a long time. And I want that for my clients as well. So that's what my clients get when they call me and hire me to do anything. Ceramic coatings, even on the most basic exterior details, which is a detail for me because I don't offer a car wash. But any basic detail that I offer receives some sort of ceramic protection. So this isn't gonna, I'm not gonna sit here and completely dry this. This can air dry, it's just fine. It's a rinseless wash. So not a big deal. It's clean, it's gonna dry clean. Once it dries, you'll really see, hopefully. Okay, so I've finished this whole section here, up, down, the back, because I did that before I started the video. This is all clean. I'm gonna move on, do the centerpiece, and then maybe you'll be able to see some better contrast based on these two and that end piece there. I'm just gonna do the exact same thing that I've already done. You know what? I just found some nasty gunk that I'll probably have to go ahead and use some all clean on, so I can show you how I do that. It's right here in the corner. Oh, I might not need to. So that's the thing about this rinseless wash. It is incredible. It does so much more than one would think. And the nice thing about it is it doesn't leave water spots, and it's safe on all surfaces, and it's cheap and highly concentrated. So, you can dilute it way down and it lasts a really, really long time. And it really just works. It's just melting the gunk off of here. Well, I think you're going to see a really big difference. I'm going to bring you up actually in on here just so you can see this gunk melting. If you can't see it. See all that? Rinseless wash is no joke. I literally use this very product to do everything on a vehicle, inside and outside. If I need something stronger, I go to All Clean diluted 15:1. These are really the only products that I use other than the things that, the specialty products. Then I just simply put my applicator pad or my abrasive pad back into the bucket and I let it soak, and the rinseless wash pulls the contamination from the sponge and it takes it to the bottom of the bucket, or it just simply floats in there, and when you pull it out and wring it out, it falls off the applicator. I'm going to go ahead and dry this down. Notice that it just doesn't dry. Unless there's like a heavy gust of air or wind on this product, it's just going to sit there and dwell. It'll dwell all day. All rinseless washes are amazing products. I've liked every one I've used, so it doesn't matter which one you get. This just happens to be the one that I'm really liking right now by DIY Detail. And it's just simple. Rinseless wash. No special tricky names, nothing weird. It's just rinseless wash. You know what it is. I like that. Keep things simple. If you can keep things simple, you're doing good. I keep things simple when it comes to everything with detailing. My whole life is about simplicity. What can I do? Because I'm kind of lazy. It's not that I'm late. I'm a very hard worker, but when I want to relax, and I don't want my personal life, my personal things to be hard to maintain. and take care of. So I want to find the most efficient way possible to maintain them with the fewest products. Now check this out. Hopefully you can see this in the camera. I'm gonna come back here, check it out. Wow. Look at the left compared to the rest. So pretty amazing difference that hopefully you can tell in the camera. I'm gonna do a feeling test on this. This is dirty. It's really smooth and, you know, easy to glide my hand on. And if you look close, you probably can't see it in the camera, but it's clogged up. And then these are the ones that we cleaned, and they're really stiff and, you know, not smooth, which is a very good thing. So now we need to protect it, right? But before I protect it, now that I've rubbed my body oil all over that, I'm gonna have to go ahead and clean that again, because that's really important, especially when it comes to ceramic coating. You always want to wear gloves, not just to protect yourself from the chemicals, but of course the body oils. All right, guys, I'm not actually going to show you the coating process in this video, but I will just say it's the same as the way that I cleaned it. Just get the product on there, let it dwell, let it flash if it's necessary. I'll go ahead and link all the products you need to do this yourself in the description below. You will not be able to use System X Interior because you're not a certified System X installer, or maybe you are. And in that case, then you probably already do this. With that said, you don't need to use a ceramic coating. If you don't want to, use any leather conditioner. I can go ahead and link a leather conditioner below. There's really all sorts of good coatings out there for leather, so it doesn't matter what you do. I really just wanted to make this video to showcase some really great products that I use as a professional detailer, somebody who does this every day or, you know, most days of the week. And this is just simple. I think there's, you know, I'm a simp, so I like simplicity. And I would like to share that with people. I think there's a lot of misconceptions out there, and I think that there is a lot of unnecessary purchasing and unnecessary waste of time taking place, not only in the detailing industry, but, you know, of course, for people doing things at home on their own time. And, you know, as I said, I like to relax and make things simple. So that's really just what this is about, and just showcasing what I do and offer as a detailer mobile. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you learned something in this video. And as always, God bless you.